Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with your Monday market update. The US dollar index climbed steadily last week, hitting a near 3-week high of 98.95. It posted a second consecutive weekly gain as investors focused on signs of economic strength. Inflation rose, retail sales unexpectedly rebounded in June, and jobless claims hit a 3-month low wall, suggesting resilience despite President Trump's tariffs. The strong data gave the Fed room to delay rate cuts. WTI crude dropped around 2.4% last week and is now trading near $66. Tensions in the Middle East briefly pushed prices higher, especially after drone strikes targeted a Norwegian oil company in Iraq's Kurdistan region, halting production. While the US hasn't responded with force, any escalation could reignite supply concerns. US crude stockpiles also declined, pointing to strong summer demand. However, oil prices face headwinds from ongoing tariff threats. Gold traded in a tight range between $3,310 and $3,375 last week, marking its first weekly loss in 3 weeks. Strong US economic data eased pressure on the Fed to cut rates, especially with retail sales surging and jobless claims hitting multi-month lows. Fed Governor Kugler said it's appropriate to keep rates steady for now, although San Francisco Fed's daily still expects 2 cuts this year. Despite this, gold remains supported by global uncertainty. USD JPY rose to 149.2 last week, its highest level since early April, logging a 3rd straight weekly gain. Investors now largely believe the Bank of Japan will abandon plans for rate hikes amid concerns over US tariffs and their potential global impact. A general risk-on sentiment is also weighing on the yen. While markets await Japan's upper house election results, traders remain cautious. Meanwhile, dovish comments from Fed Governor Waller slightly capped the dollar's gains, though expectations of delayed Fed rate cuts continue to support USD JPY. Euro dipped below 1.16 last week, its lowest in nearly a month, as the US dollar gained strength. Trade developments remain in focus. Trump announced a 30% tariff on EU imports starting next month, but later said he's open to talks. The EU reiterated its commitment to a deal before August. Meanwhile, the ECB is expected to hold rates steady next week, though markets still price in a 25 basis point cut later this year.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.